4175. What is a convective outlook, AC, describe for a following 24-hour period? A. Areas of slight, moderate, or high risk of severe thunderstorms. B. A severe weather watch bulletin. C. When forecast conditions are expected to continue beyond the valid period. The correct answer is A. Areas of slight, moderate, or high risk of severe thunderstorms. A convective outlook, AC, describes the areas of slight, moderate, or high risk of severe thunderstorms for a specified 24-hour period. It is a forecast product issued by the Storm Prediction Center, SPC, of the National Weather Service in the United States. The convective outlook provides valuable information about the potential for severe weather, including the risk of damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes. It helps to identify areas where thunderstorm activity is expected to be more intense or organized, allowing for advanced planning and preparedness for severe weather events. 4209. The surface analysis chart depicts A. Actual pressure systems, frontal locations, cloud tops, and precipitation at the time shown on the chart. B. Frontal locations and expected movement, pressure centers, cloud coverage, and obstructions to vision at the time of chart transmission. C. Actual frontal positions, pressure patterns, temperature, dew point, wind, weather, and obstructions to vision at the valid time of the chart. The correct answer is C. The surface analysis chart provides a ready means of locating pressure systems and fronts, and also gives an overview of winds, temperatures, and dew points as of the time of the plotted observations. The chart also shows weather and obstruction to vision symbols. It does not show cloud heights or tops or the expected movement of any item depicted. Expected movement would be contained in a forecast. 4195. What flight planning information can a pilot derive from constant pressure charts? A. Clear air turbulence and icing conditions. B. Levels of widespread cloud coverage. C. Winds and temperatures aloft. The correct answer is C. Winds and temperatures aloft. Constant pressure charts, also known as isobaric charts or upper-level charts, provide valuable information about winds and temperatures at various altitudes. These charts depict the horizontal distribution of atmospheric variables, such as wind speed, wind direction, and temperature, at a constant pressure level. By analyzing these charts, pilots can determine the expected wind patterns and temperatures at different altitudes along their planned flight route. This information is crucial for flight planning, fuel calculations, and determining the best altitude for the aircraft to minimize fuel consumption and optimize performance. Constant pressure charts do not provide specific information about clear air turbulence, icing conditions, or cloud coverage. 4173. What conclusions can be drawn from a 500 millibar constant pressure chart for a planned flight at FL180? A. Winds aloft at FL180 generally flow across the height contours. B. Observed temperature, wind, and temperature/dew point spread along the proposed route can be approximated. C. Upper highs, lows, troughs, and ridges will be depicted by the use of lines of equal pressure. The correct answer is B. Observed temperature, wind, and temperature/dew point spread along the proposed route can be approximated. A 500 millibar constant pressure chart provides information about the atmospheric conditions at the 500 millibar pressure level, which is typically found around the FL180, 18,000 feet, altitude. By analyzing this chart, pilots can approximate the observed temperature, wind direction, wind speed, and temperature/dew point spread along their planned route at that altitude. This information is helpful for flight planning and decision-making, allowing pilots to estimate the conditions they may encounter during their flight. The other options mentioned, such as winds aloft flowing across height contours or the depiction of upper highs, lows troughs, and ridges by lines of equal pressure, are not specifically related to the conclusions that can be drawn from a 500 millibar constant pressure chart at FL180. 4211. The low-level significant weather prognostic chart depicts weather conditions A. that are forecast to exist at a valid time shown on the chart. B. as they existed at the time the chart was prepared. C. that existed at the time shown on the chart, which is about 3 hours before the chart is received. The correct answer is A. The low-level significant weather prognostic chart provides a forecast of significant weather conditions at low levels, below 24,000 feet, for a specific valid time shown on the chart. It includes information such as frontal positions, areas of precipitation, areas of fog or low visibility, and other significant weather features that are expected to exist at the specified time. The chart helps pilots and meteorologists anticipate and plan for potential weather hazards along their planned route or in a specific region. The information on the chart is a forecast, not a depiction of current or past weather conditions.